Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to index stubborn backlink. If you have stubborn backlink and that backlink have not indexed for like a month now, this video is going to help you to show you how to index those stubborn backlink. I'm going to show you step by step guide. If you're new in this channel, subscribe and turn the notification bell. Once I update anything concerning SEO, you will get notification. But before I start this video, you need to do two things before you can be able to get this process done. So the first thing you need to do, you need to get a WordPad. This WordPad, this is what they call WordPad on your system. Get WordPad, then copy the backlink and paste inside WordPad. So let me show you how to paste your backlink inside WordPad, then save it as a document, then go to a website to convert it as a PDF and upload it to a different PDF website that is going to crawl it, and searching engine is going to crawl it also, and it will index within 48 hours. Mind you, these properties are properties that you can be able to control delete at any time. So I would advise you, once you upload any of the document to any PDF website or documents website, make sure within 2 weeks to 1 week you remove it, because you are the one controlling it, because to avoid Google footprint. So to do that, let's close this tab, and this is my client's backlink that is very stubborn to index for let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one. This is my client, for example. This is my client's stubborn backlink that I don't want to index. So the next thing I have to do is to type WordPad, which I have installed WordPad on my PC. So make sure you have WordPad or you have anything related to document application or software. So I'm going to paste the backlink. This is the backlink. This is the 4 backlink that I built to my client website. So what I need to do now is to save this thing as a document, convert it as a PDF, upload it to each PDF website for Google to crawl it very fast. Those PDF website, Google index their document very fast. So that's why we're going to upload the PDF file to those platforms. Excuse me. So after that, I'm going to save it. Click Ctrl X. Save it with any name that I'm going to remember. Then I'm going to type something like backlink socks, something like that. Something I have to remember. And once I click save, and I will close this tab, I'm going to go to, you are going to use this converter. This converter converts document to PDF. So what you need to do is to go to www.pdf2go.com/word2pdf. okay, if you need URL, just leave a comment. I'm going to give you. Now once you go to this website, you are going to have opportunity to upload that document to convert it to automatically to PDF file. So I'm going to click choose file. Once I click choose file, under documents, I'm going to type the word I use to save that document in WordPad, which is backlinks. Okay, which is backlinks socks, if I'm not mistaken, source. Okay, sorry, I'm looking for it here. I think I've misplaced it. Okay, let me look for it. Okay, I can find it here. Maybe I've forgotten the name I use again. That's why I said something earlier. So let's go back and we save that document. Bear with me. Go back and type WordPad and paste the backlink, and then click Ctrl X and save the document again. This time around, let's save it with 223. Let's save it to something like do now. Okay, let's just save it with something like do now. Then go back to this website, upload it. Then let's type do now. okay, sorry, let's type do now. This is do now document, which I just saved now and open. Then we are going to click start to convert to PDF. So it will start converting to PDF and on download automatically. Once it download automatically, we are going to go to SlideShare, another second website, to upload this document so Google can crawl it immediately. The best way to index your stubborn backlink is to put it in document format and make sure it's clickable, then convert it to PDF and share the PDF to any PDF hosting website, so Google will crawl it in different PDF document website. Those document websites you upload it to is going to help to increase the opportunity of, if it's 30 backlink, at least 10 should be indexed within 2 weeks. So you delete it and start afresh, because the worst thing about indexing backlink or building backlink, make sure when you are building backlink, make sure you have control of those backlink. You can easily sign up and delete your comments immediately when it turns to spamming method. So in that case, since I've converted the document to PDF, I'm going to go to this website called SlideShare, which I used in previous video, and then I blacklist that video because a lot of people find it difficult in terms of using that method. So let's log in with my LinkedIn. You need to log in with any of your social media accounts, or you create accounts with this platform. So I'm going to click the word upload. So let me click upload, and then I'm going to drag the document here. Once I drag the document here, this website is going to give you opportunity to either put this document public or private. If you put it public, that means you are telling Google to crawl this document, and Google crawl this website every seconds, or the whole document on this platform. So I would advise you to leave it in public, which is this place. Leave it in public so Google can be able to access those documents and index it, and their own port is going to allow Google to crawl it. So in that case, since the documents have already uploaded, let's change the name to Get SEO Now. Okay, then the description, maybe you are targeting something like let's say your backlink is all about music or health niche. Let's say latex info about health. You get my point? So even though another person is going to download this PDF, they are going to have access to that your URL, which will lead them to your profile backlink or to your guest posting backlink that have the content of health. Are you getting my point now? So they can be able to also navigate down to your money site. So consider, giving a nice description, even though another person mistakenly download this PDF, is going to be valuable to those people. Because if you have to explain anything concerning health, like say, let's put health as headline. Sorry, let's get health as generally here. Get health tips as the headline, tips. Okay. So now anybody that download this PDF now is going to serve the person to understand that this PDF is all about health, and once they navigate to that backlink you paste inside that document, it will take them to a profile that will lead them to your website. Are you getting the point now? So that is the approach of what link backlink, stubborn to index stubborn backlink. Then choose a category of your backlink, like say is healthcare, and then let's choose tag health. Healthcare, health again, something related to health. Okay, you can choose any document you want, and once you are choosing any, you are making sure you are choosing the normal format of what they're telling you. The discoverable will be increased. That discoverable means the more you are putting tag and giving more information about your document, the more is going to be opportune to show, to be very discoverable. People can be able to get access to that document. Health, please don't mind the noise. It's kind of health quotes. Okay, maybe talk about health quotes. Then you can even talk about lose weight, something like that. Lose weight Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, guys. So with that, you can be able to be adding tag, and it also increase. And if you are typing to put more description, is also going to increase your discoverable very well. So I'm going to verify that I'm not a robot, that I'm a human being. Then there's nothing to do again here. Once the document is 100% upload, you're going to hit publish. This will help the document to upload on this website very fast. So anybody that download this document would definitely have what's a click word down to the PDF. Let me come again. The second website, let's try this website. I use this website. It's very advisable. Again, upload the document to this website, put description, mention what the document is all about, so people can be able to download the document again and also navigate from the document down to your backlinks and then down to your own website. So when you are uploading a document, make sure you describe what the document is talking about. The document is talking about health, so anybody concerning anything that likes health is going to download the document, and then it will lead them to a document that have a profile that have what health issues, how to solve health issues. So in that case, let's choose get health tips. That's the title. Latest health info. Sorry for using the wrong spelling. Latest health, okay, health info, okay, and issue fix, or maybe tips, something like that. So you're not going to make the document private. Remember what I use on the first website. Make it public, leave it public. Don't click anything on this place, to make sure that Google can be able to crawl this, because they have this website have robottext.txt that is going to allow Google to crawl any document that is within public to index. So consider leaving it for Google to crawl this, so it can be very easy. Then I don't think there is much thing to do here. You can just hit done. It will automatically upload to this website, and which if you want to embed, if you have, let's say for example, your own website, like say you have a blogspot website, you can even copy this embedded code and paste it, which is, let's say, HTML code. Just embed it to any of your widgets, which is sidebar, or add it to any HTML plugin that is going to show at the sidebar to help Google to dictate it more. Let's say for example, let's copy it again, go to one of our websites, let's know something like Blogspot. Let's use Blogspot as example, as I showed you guys on the previous video that I just whitelisted. Now what you need to do, once you have a Blogspot which is web 2.0, make sure you add that Blogspot to Google, verify the sitemap, everything is on Google. Now what you need to do is to go to layout. Once you click layout, you're going to have opportunity to click add gadgets, and you're going to see something like HTML and JavaScript, then click it, and then write the title, health info, still the same keyword you are targeting, health info, okay. Then content, you paste that embedded code and hit save. Once you hit save, you can scroll down to your Blogspot and view your Blogspot website to see how the embedded PDF file look like in your website, which is your Blogspot PDF, your Blogspot website. If you check here, let's scroll down more under, sorry guys, okay, here's info under health. You're going to see under health. Okay, I'm coming. Please don't mind the noise. People living around here, they like making noise. Okay, let's remove these ones. Remove, so we can have a good clear vision. Remove. Then let's go back here and do copy of HTML. Sorry. Okay, please don't mind the noise, please. Okay, people is kind of, you click save, and then refresh here. You have successfully embed the document to any website. If you have Blogspot, you want to also embed it on your normal website, you can do that. If you scroll down, this is the get help tips, which is I've embedded the HTML code inside. It's going to take me to the PDF file to download it. Google is also going to index that site bar, which have to do with the HTML code which you embedded on your website, any website at all. They are going to crawl it. Google is going to crawl it. This is also the fast way to send signal for Google to index stubborn backlink, or let that backlink have non-index tag on the header. Let's use, for example, if I'm going to go to any website, let's check. Let's go to a normal website, something like this. Let me show you what I mean. Once you build backlink on a website that have non-index tag, just forget about it. There's no need of doing this method. But these are the things you need to look for before building backlink to any website. You have to check if those websites have non-index tag. Let's click Ctrl U, please. This is viewing source page for that home page to know if they are blocking any index documents. Let's click Ctrl F to type. You're going to see. Let's check something within that place. Let's type follow. Okay. Index. Sorry, I'm using the wrong word. Okay. So in most cases, I think I wish I would find it here. In most cases, from the header, you're going to see an instruction telling Google not to index their home page or to index anything concerning their website. So if you build backlink on that kind of website, it's not going to index. Even though you follow this method, the backlink will not index. So consider converting your document, first one, to PDF file. Once you convert it to PDF file, then you upload it to a PDF hosting website, like something like, let's say, the website I mentioned, which is the SlideShare, and this you can also upload it to Dropbox. These are document websites. You can also upload it to this website and also copy the embedded code and also paste it in your Web 2.0 sidebar. The reason you are uploading it to a Web 2.0 is a document you are just using to power up link juice to your money site. So in that case, you have a control to delete it to avoid footprint. Your Web 2s, you have to make sure you have control over your Web 2s. So even though when the documents stay like 2 weeks to a month, you can be able to delete it. Then Google have already crawled those documents and index few of them. At least if you are to do this process with 50 backlinks, at least 20 to 15 backlink will get indexed, so far as those backlinks have index tag on the header. Once they have index tag on the header that they're finding difficult to index, then follow this method, converting to PDF, then uploading to any PDF website, then allowing people to get to that document, leave it public so Google can crawl it too, then copy the embedded code to any Web 2s, and then everything will speed up immediately and get indexed fast. That's how to index stubborn backlink that have index tag on the header but still finding difficult to index very fast, and it's very simple. And the easiest way to index your backlink very fast is to put it in a PDF format, then build backlink to the PDF URL. Are you getting the point? If you have the list of the backlink, convert it to PDF. Once you convert it to PDF, the PDF is going to have a URL. Upload it to any PDF hosting website. It's going to have a URL. Build some quality backlinks to that PDF URL. It's also going to give opportunity for that backlink to index very fast. That's how to index backlink. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn the notification bell. And remember, I want to create a course next month on how to find quality backlinks that have good quality traffic to increase your own traffic, because building backlink from a high page that receive traffic to a low page is going to increase your own opportunity to become popular and your website to start ranking immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day.